In Solidworks, we can translate, rotate, and make copies of our bodies using Move and Copy Bodies tool. So in this lecture, we will learn how we can move and make number of copies of a single body. So this is a simple single body part. You can download it from our resource file of our course material. So just go to command bar and write copy. Then select move copy bodies tool. So this is the move copy body dialog box. In the first option, select surface or solid body to move or copy. So just select this body. You can see that there is constraints. Constraint mean that we can add different types of mates, and in order to, if we click on translate and rotate, again we will active our copy option and translate and rotate option. And if we click on constraint options, then again mate options here appear here. So just click on translate and rotate button and check the copy option. Then set the number of the bodies. We want to make 3 number of bodies of this single body. Then click on the translate cell. So just select the direction and you want to make a copy. So we want to make a copy in X direction. So just drag X direction tool. You can define the distance between bodies by putting the value in X cell. So that is 100. Okay. So you can see we have make a copy of single body with other 3 bodies using move copy tool and also translate option. So please make a practice of this command. Thank you.